I don't have time to learn English. Hi, my name is Mia. I used to think I had no time to learn English. My days were full: work, family, responsibilities. Every night, I felt exhausted. I'll start tomorrow, I told myself. But tomorrow never came. One day, I realized something: time will pass anyway. A year from now, will I still be saying, I don't have time? Or will I be able to speak English? I made a decision. I would find time no matter how busy I was. And guess what? I did. I want to share my secret hacks with you. If you're busy, these tricks will help you learn English without adding extra hours to your day. Step 1. Use small moments. I used to think I needed 1 full hour to study English, but I was wrong. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference. Here's how I found time. Morning routine. While brushing my teeth, I said English sentences to myself. Today is Monday. I have a meeting. I feel tired, but I am strong. Commuting, on the bus or in the car, I listen to English podcasts or songs. Even 10 minutes help me improve. Cooking or cleaning, I played English YouTube videos in the background while making dinner. I didn't watch, I just listened. Before sleep, instead of scrolling on my phone, I read 1 page of an English book. Just 1 page before bed. The secret? You don't need extra time. You just need to use the time you already have. Step 2. Speak without fear. I was shy. I didn't want to make mistakes. But then I heard a quote. A baby doesn't learn to walk by being afraid of falling. A baby falls 100 times, but still gets up. I told myself, I will make mistakes, but I will keep speaking. Here's what I did. Talk to yourself. Every morning, I looked in the mirror and spoke English. Good morning, Mia. Today will be a great day. Record your voice. I recorded short messages on my phone and listen later. It helped me hear my mistakes. Talk to objects. This is my coffee. It is hot. I like coffee. Simple sentences, but great practice. Think in English. Instead of thinking in my native language, I trained my brain to think in English. At first, it felt strange, but after a few weeks, it became natural. Step 3. Learn smart, not hard. I didn't have time to memorize 50 words a day. But I didn't need to. Instead, I used these tricks. The 5-word rule. Every day, I learned only 5 new words. But I used them in sentences all day. Example. New word, delicious. This food is delicious. I thought, my mom makes delicious food. I texted, I had a delicious lunch. After a few days, I never forgot the word. Learn in phrases, not single words. Instead of memorizing rain, I learned. It's raining outside. Don't forget your umbrella. This made words easier to remember. Step 4. Make English part of your life. I didn't have time to sit and study, so I changed my environment. Changed my phone to English. At first, it was hard, but soon, I learned words naturally. Use sticky notes. I put English words on my fridge, mirror, and door. Every day I saw. Turn off the lights. Drink water. Watch TV with English subtitles. First, I use subtitles in my native language. Then, English subtitles. Finally, no subtitles. Step 5. Stay motivated. One night, I felt tired. I wanted to quit. I looked at the sky. The moon was shining alone. The moon has no one to help it, I thought. But it still shines. That night, I made a promise. I will keep going, even if it's hard. I wrote myself a letter. Dear future me, one day you will speak English. You will watch movies without subtitles. You will travel and talk to people. Keep going. Never give up. I read this letter every time I wanted to quit. Final advice. If you're busy, don't wait for the perfect time. Use the time you have. Speak every day, even to yourself. Learn a few words, but use them a lot. Change small things in your life to English. Never stop. Even slow progress is still progress. One day, you'll look back and say, I did it. And if you ever feel like giving up, just look at the moon. Keep shining. You can do it. Good luck.